Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to change the alarm volume on your iPhone. You can follow these simple steps performed in this video. So, first, check whether the alarm is set correctly. For that, you need to launch the clock app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the alarm tab at the bottom. If the alarm is not set yet, tap on the plus icon at the top right corner and set the time. Then, tap on sound. You can pick a song or set alarm tones by selecting from the available list. Do not select the None option. Now go back and tap on the Save button. That's it. The alarm is set from the clock app. Now, let's see how to change the alarm volume using the Settings app. First, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, slightly scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Under the Ringtone and Alert volume section, you will see a slider for alarm volume to change and adjust. An alert will play as you pull the slider so you can hear how the volume changes. Adjust the slider to the desired volume level. Now, listen to the alarm volume when it rings on your iPhone. When the toggle beside Change with buttons is off, the volume of the ringer and alerts will not be affected by the volume buttons. Some iPhone users are affected by the problem of no sound for alarm volume because of attention-aware features. To disable this feature, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to Accessibility, and tap on Face ID and Attention. Disable the toggle for the attention-aware feature. Now, your iPhone will play a loud alarm sound even in front of your face. This feature lowers the volume of alerts and alarm sounds. That's normal. If you are testing the alarm, turn off this feature or keep it away from your face to listen to the loud sound set in your alarm. Still, if you need help with the wrong customizations and settings, we recommend to reset all settings. After force restart the iPhone. Small bug we can fix after restart for some users. Check the top I button to force restart your iPhone. Make sure this solution will not affect the data saved on your iPhone like contacts, messages, photos and videos, but reset personalized settings. Launch the Settings app and scroll to the General option. Again, scroll to the Transfer or Reset iPhone option. Now, tap on Reset all settings. Your iPhone will ask for your iPhone passcode. That's it. You have successfully changed the alarm volume on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel for the latest tips and tricks videos.